Welcome to lesson 7. In this lesson, we are going to show error messages given by Nhost. So first we need to catch the errors given by Nhost. For example, if it's an invalid email and password combination, we're going to catch that. Then we are going to display that error message in the form. Finally, we are going to allow our input component to have custom attributes. So for example, they can pass in required attribute if it's a required field and area label values and all that they can pass, which will be added to the input component. Okay, so first thing is first, let's catch the errors. Let's go to our login form. And here we can simply catch, let's say, error. And then let's create a variable, say let error, and make it empty or null. Let's do this, and I'm going to say error is going to equal to error response, get the response and the data from it. Finally, let's come over here and show the error message. Let's put it on a paragraph tag and show the error message. Okay, I think we have to put an if condition. If not, I think we will see undefined. And if error, show the error, and let's make the error look a bit red. So text red of 400, I think is nice. Give it a padding y of 2 so that there's a little bit of space. Okay, I'm going to run this. Let's see, this is a wrong password. Submit. Okay, I got error. Where is my error? Why I'm not seeing it? What is wrong? Here it's error, and I'm getting it as error. Maybe I should change this to E. How about now? Let me console log the error as well, so that we know we are here. Okay, let's log in. Nice. Okay, so the error is an object. We just want the message of it, so let's get the message. Yeah, let's keep the error as it is and just display the message only. Yeah, okay. Login, username and password do not match. Okay, that's it. What else we can do? So we don't have any client-side validations. For example, if I try to submit here, it says the email is not allowed to be empty. That is coming from a host, but we want to make it required, like at least make it required in the front end. To do this, we can simply make this required like this, and make the password required as well. But this will not work. Required. This will not work because we are not using putting that here. To do this, we have Svelte has this wonderful $restProps. What $restProps do is, so let me explain this like this. So we'll go to login form, input. Okay, so whenever we pass something from here, let's say it's foo equals bar something, anything we pass here will be in the global variable of $props. What restProps do is, so $props will have everything that we have here in the same input component. The restProps will have, if it is not defined as a prop here, rest of the attributes or props that is passed in will be inside restProps. We can see that like this. So let me do a console log, or no, let's see it here. I'm going to do props, and I'm going to do restProps and restProps. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a string object, of course. I'm going to JSON stringify. Do the same here. Stringify, and there. Okay. So here you can see in props, you see label email, name email, type email, required true. All of that, what we pass in from here is there, everything. The rest props only has the required bit. That is because in our input component, we have said that these are props to this component. So only the rest of it is in restProps. So only thing that we need to do is to get this working, the required thing working, is spread the restProps here. Oops. Let's take and spread. Why is it $rest props? That's it. Okay, so let's see if this works. I'm going to say required true to both of these elements. I'm going to save. I'm going to remove this and try to log in, and this should work. Nice. If you check, inspect, and see, this input field got a required attribute. Nice. Okay, so that covers this lesson. Let me clean out my two console displays of the props and restProps. That's it. We have to do the same validation for rest of the forms. I will do that off screen, but anyways, it's just this that I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.